Hello everyone and welcome back to another software review video. Today we are going to review Blaze Quantum, which offers four apps in single platform. The four apps are Transfer, Drive, Messenger for team chat and Note. So without wasting our time now, let us get started. To get started, at first you need to log in using your user ID and password. So this is the central dashboard of Blaze Quantum. In the central dashboard, you can see the UI is simple and user friendly. You see this icon. This icon is basically used to switch between those four apps, and those four apps are Transfer, Drive, Messenger, and Notes. So I am at first going to show you how you can use this transfer feature. So for transferring, sending, and receiving files, you can make portals, and these portals are really helpful. To create one portal, you can just click on create portal button, and then you can create a portal. And basically these portals are completely editable, and you can use them and make them personalized for everyone. This is basically an example of extranet, where you give exclusive portals and exclusive access to your users and clients to upload uh, some files for your business purpose, and these are secure. Then you have these custom portals also. This custom portal is basically completely uh, changeable and completely customizable portal. For example, you can change the logo also. Just click on change logo and upload one picture, and any picture you upload will be used as the logo. For example, I am choosing this particular. Click on open button, and you can see the logo has been changed. Then you can disable the slider effects also, and you have the slides options. Then the portal design background, you can change the color, portal background, text alignment, other settings can be changed. And click on save settings, and your custom portal is here. And when you create a portal, this particular thing will be used to send and receive files using the portal. And I have just made one cool thing, that I have also connected my domain with my Blaze Quantum. So basically, connecting domain gives me access just make the portals within my domain. In my domain, I will be creating the portals for sending and receiving files or anything among the four features like Drive and other features, and that will be hosted in my domain under a page. And that will be more trustable for my clients, since they are using my website, and they are just going to upload through the help of Blaze Quantum, but the domain is mine. So the trust will be built up and business setup will be easier. And let me show you in the settings. I have just connected my custom domain in here. You can see this is my custom domain. So the custom domain, my custom domain that I had connected was yourdigitalfellow.com. And whenever you make a portal, that will be uh, mm, under this particular domain, for example, transfer.yourdigitalfellow.com, and it will be trusted for my clients and users to upload files. So let me just copy this particular thing. It shows that it is active, and copy it and paste it in another window. And you can see, under my domain, I can upload files using the portal that I had created using Blaze Quantum. And these files can be uh, used anytime. For example, you can click to upload one file here, and let me upload one file. I am uploading one file, and you can see this file is uploaded. uh, then you have to select the name of receiver, then enter email address. For example, enter the email address. Then the retention will be for some days. For example, 2 days will be retained, and then click on send. And after clicking on send, the file will be sent to those email addresses, and it is a good thing. You can see the encrypted files are being uploaded, and the upload speed is so good. Within seconds, everything is uploaded, and you can copy the link below to share it with receivers. So let me copy this, and when I will just paste this particular link or give this particular link to anyone, that particular person can access this file. So let me just give you a small review. The and the again the link is under that particular domain transfer, and my domain is yourdigitalfellow.com. So basically it is like building trust with your users and clients, because when we are using Blaze Quantum, then it is pretty sure that I am going to access some confidential data, and you have to enter your email address to send one time password. So you can see the security level. So I am entering my email address, and the logo is also displayed here. You can see how good they have made everything and how professional it looks. And you can see one time password has been sent to my email. So now I need to check my email address for one time password. So you can see the level of security they are providing. So basically, it is very much nice. And let me open my email. And the one-time password has been arrived in my Gmail account, and that password I will use to basically just unlock this file. And you can see I have received that one-time password in my Gmail. Let me just refresh it, and you can see the one-time password is arrived here. It is 917470, and it says one time password is validated successfully. Then after validation, I can see and download the file. To download the file, just click on this, or to view the file, just click on this view button, and you can view this file. If a preview is available, you can see the preview is also available. This, since it was a Word file, but they are also providing preview of Word file, which is a quite good feature. In this way, you can just securely transfer and receive uh, files using custom domain. And using custom domain is particularly a good thing when you are trying to build trust with your clients. It just marks another level of impression in the mind of your clients. And we have the four applications here: the transfer, the drive application, then the notes application, and the messenger application. So all the applications are supported by custom domain, and all the features of those particular applications are available, and the custom domain is available for each and every particular feature. So for example, transfer is basically useful for transferring files. Drive is basically useful in uploading bulk files and just sharing the link to users so that their local storage won't be affected. Then the notes is here for creating notes, writing scripts, and sharing notes with other peoples. Then you have this messenger option. This is basically for providing communication within the colleagues and team members, or client customer relationship. Client customer uh, messaging will be done through messenger, and basically these are the things that make your work professional. If you are a freelancer, or even you are a company, using Blaze Quantum will mark another impression on the mind of your clients, and you can just enhance your work level, the satisfaction level of your clients, and the way they feel by your service will be just increased and enhanced. So using Blaze Quantum is basically a good thing, and this is not a much more complicated application. Anyone who knows little bit technical things can start using Blues Quantum. It is easy to use and easy to learn for everyone, so that the client will not feel any difficulties while sending the files or chatting with you. It is basically very much easy to use. Everyone can use it, and it is just going to make your work look more professional. And let me just summarize the features. Like in the your name, you have the workspaces, dashboard, external packages, invitation receipt, and under settings you have user profile, members, custom domains, account information, preferences. You can change the password also, download QR code. You have multi-factor authentication, invitations received, and support will be available 24/7 to solve your problem anytime you want. And this is all about Blaze Quantum. Basically, features are simple but too much useful. And let us just take a look at the pricing plan of Blaze Quantum. So I think the developer are quite nice and they keep the pricing plan as low as possible so that everyone can use this aesthetic platform. The pricing plan is divided into four tier. The first one is the free forever plan, which is free and just going to help you to explore the basic features of Blaze Quantum. Then you have the starter plan, which is going to cost you $6 per month, and it enables you all the features plus 100 GB transfer and 100 GB drive storage and four workspaces user can be managed here, and 90-day message retention is available. And this is the most popular plan, which is a business plan, going to cost you $20 per user per month and gives all the premium features. And from 100 GB, the drive storage is drastically increased to 1 TB storage, and it supports all the premium features like OTP, portal customization, and message retention date is also increased to 365 days. A year-long message can be retained here. Then you have this enterprise, which is uh, on the basis of your increasing demands, you can just choose this enterprise plan, and this enterprise plan pricing will be according to your needs. And when you choose the enterprise plan, the support sales team will contact you and just give you and set up your account in a very much less and viable time. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you are going to use blaze.cx, Blaze Quantum.